Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix won't send MMS message in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find messages app. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your mobile data. So turn on your mobile data. After turn on your mobile data, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset. Now again click on reset phone. Now click on reset network settings. Now here enter your password to reset your network settings. It will reset your network settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.